The pharaoh did not ride alone. Aboard the chariot, the tank of the ancient world, he charged into the desert. With the royal lion running by his side, the king proved his mastery over both nature and his enemies. But the true power of Egypt lay in the river. From the fertile black mud came an explosion of life. Fishermen and farmers brought the bounty of the Nile, baskets of grapes, fresh fish, and fowl, to feed the temples of the gods. Then a revolution carved in stone. The heretic king Akhenaten turned his back on the old gods. He worshipped only the Aten, the sun disk. Notice the sun's rays ending in tiny human hands, offering life exclusively to the royal family. Yet behind the gold and the glory, the empire was built on the backs of the common man. A farmer guides his beast through the fields, a timeless scene of labor. It was their sweat that raised the pyramids and fed the armies. He stands as the bridge between the earth and the divine. Crowned in the red crown of the north, the pharaoh's duty was to maintain Ma'at cosmic order, holding back the chaos of the desert for 3,000 years.